Today I would like to discuss how useful and how simple making chocolate leaves is. First of all, you need either citrus, lemon, or lime, or orange leaves, or rose leaves. And it's best if they haven't been dusted with any pesticides. You want organic if you can, because you are putting food right on these. And next, you wash them thoroughly, especially the back, because we're going to be putting the chocolate on the back of these leaves. And then you dry them thoroughly. I did this yesterday and put it in my crisper, and you can see some of the leaves are starting to just curl a little bit. It's okay, you can work with that. The other thing you need is melted chocolate. And I have a little electric chocolate melter, but you can certainly use a double boiler or do melt chocolate in the microwave. So you need a clean leaf, you need melted chocolate, and you need a small spoon. A baby spoon is perfect. This is a spoon for iced tea, and it's a good size too. We used to use a brush. I no longer recommend using a brush. First of all, some of the hairs from the brush can come off, and it's difficult to wash it. But also, you can't work with it as easily as you can just with a small spoon. So here I have one leaf, and you want, I can use maybe one big leaf. On my decorating project, I'm going to be decorating cakes for centerpieces. And so this, maybe you'd want one, but most of the sizes you want are about this size or even smaller. Now, if it has a little blim on it, this one's got a little rusted spot, that's okay because you're using the other side. Here's your pattern that you're going to use. And you can do as many of these as you wish. So in my chocolate melter, I'm just going to take one little spoonful of chocolate, and then I'm going to spread it on this leaf and keep getting spoonfuls. And just spread it right around. And see how much control, I can even put a little tip on there by dribbling it. You want it to be not real thin and not real thick, just kind of spread it out, about like you'd put peanut butter on a piece of bread, about that thick, unless you really like peanut butter, and then hold off. So if it's too thick, it would be unwieldy. But you want it just about right. We'll do this again with a close-up on my smaller leaf. But you know, you just need it to look like leaf-like on the edge. You don't even need to coat the whole leaf. Okay, again, applying it kind of to the center of the leaf. And then you're just going to shepherd this around to the edge, not even worrying about getting it real close to the edge, because it's not really the edge you're imitating. You want it to look like a leaf, but what you really want is the beautiful pattern of the ribs on that. We'll come back in a minute and I'll show you how well these turn out. Okay. We have our chocolate leaves that have set. You can refrigerate or freeze them. It's really not necessary to freeze them unless you're in a hurry. But you just make sure they're set. And then they come right off the leaf, making a perfect chocolate leaf. Let me show you on the other one. The bigger one, maybe more dramatic. Whoops. If the leaf tears at all, it's okay, because you're going down that main stem, and then you have beautiful chocolate leaves.